Hello everyone, welcome to Glamdear. I am Nikita Malik and I will be teaching you how to create this trendy makeup look. It is super affordable, super easy, and if you'd like to know how I achieved this look, keep watching. For flawless and smooth makeup at Glamdear, we always suggest to prep and moisturize the skin. Since I have a dry skin, I will be using the Indulger Essentials Rose Gold Oil. However, if you have an oily skin, you can use a simple moisturizer as well. Just gonna take a few drops of this oil and moisturize my face with that. The next step would be using a primer. Here I'm using the Kryolan primer. I'm just going to be using my hands to generously put this all around my cheeks and of course on my forehead. I put a little on my chin area as well. I will be using the MAC Strobe Cream. This is an optional step, you can avoid it as well. However, I like my makeup to be glowy and hence I will be using a little bit of this strobe cream on my cheekbones. Now I have moisturized my skin, and as I let that sit, I'm gonna go change into an outfit more suitable for my look. For covering up my dark circles, I will be using color correctors. Here I am using the orange color corrector for my under eyes and the green color corrector for any red patches. I am simply applying this with the help of my finger, and that is all needed. You do not need any special brush for this application. I will be blending it all in using a beauty blender. Next, I will be using some concealer. Here I am using the Makeup Studio concealer in the shade Warm Beige and just covering up any blemishes with the help of this concealer. Again, applying it with the help of my fingertips. You can also use concealers such as LA Girl or Lakme concealers, Maybelline concealers. They're very affordable. I know this looks like it's too much right now, but all of this will settle down once I blend it all in. The next step would be using a foundation. I am using the Makeup Forever HD foundation. I don't really require foundation, so I would be using it very judiciously. However, you can use it as per your skin type and as per your requirement. Applying it with my fingers on the areas I need it the most, and then I will be blending it all in with the help of my beauty blender. My base is finally done. I will be setting it all in, and I am going to be using this compact from MAC and just setting all of this makeup in. It is very important to do this, otherwise your makeup would start melting, it would become very sweaty. To be using the MAC Makeup Studio bronzer to lightly contour my face. Next step would be using blush. I am going to be using a very soft peach blush on my face. I think blush is so important, especially in summers when it gives you a really sweet pinkish sort of a glow to your face. For my eyeshadow, I will be using just 4 shades: black, brown, bronze and gold. These 4 shades are very essential and are mostly available in every eyeshadow palette. You take it from any drugstore brand, these will be available. Taking a brown shade and applying it on the crease of my eye using this blending brush. I'm going to be darkening this brown shade with a little bit of black on the corners of my eye. Again, using a blending brush very lightly on the corners of my eye. Our pro tip from Glamdear for eyeshadows is blending. All you need to do is blending and your eyeshadow would look flawless. Here I'm blending the brown eyeshadow with the black eyeshadow. I will be using a bronze color on the mid part of my eye. Finally, I will be using the golden eyeshadow to blend the bronze eyeshadow towards the inner corner of the eye. Once I'm done with my eyeshadow, I will be using a black liquid liner to line my eyes. You can line your eyes in any way you like. I will be doing a wing since that suits my face. I have already used a black liner to line my eyelids. Now I will be using this Maybelline mascara. Using this highlighter, Glamdia suggests you to invest in your highlighter as it is a very trendy product these days. Apply these to your cheekbones, the tip of your nose, and all the high points of your face. For my lipstick, I will be using this lipstick by Nykaa in the shade Top Thrill. It is a matte lipstick. And to line my lips, I am again using a Nykaa lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight. I really hope you liked the video. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what would you like to see in our next video. Subscribe to Glamdia and share this video. Bye.